In order to install VS Code on Mac, we will search VS Code download on our favorite browser. Then on the first link we will click. Now we have come to the site Visual Studio Code. Here we have different options, but we will click on the Mac option. Please note that there are other options here below for zip file for Intel chip, Apple Silicon, and command line options, but we'll click on the top option. Download has started, but I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. So let us visit Finder. Inside the downloads folder, we have this downloaded zip file. We have to unzip it. For that, we double click the file. It is now unzipping. Now I have the VS Code application. I will send this file into the applications folder. Please check here the VS Code file in the applications folder. I will close it. Now I will click the launchpad. You see here is the VS Code. Now I'll click it. VS Code is opening. It asks our permission, so we give our permission and we click open. So here is the VS Code code editor. Thank you.